Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Simply Crypto. Today we are going to take a look at OliveSwap. OliveSwap is a pretty normal yield farm. It's DeFi 1.0. It has nothing to do with any kind of Olympus DAO fork. It's the casual yield farm. Its native token is basically always programmed to go to absolutely zero, or at least close to it. But from historical data, we know that OliveSwap, whenever they release on a new network, whenever they release their farm on a new network, the first couple days are always successful. Quite recent, or the last example for that would be the release on Phantom. I would say that was pretty successful. If you want to see videos regarding that, I will link down Crypto Cloud TV's channel. He made a lot of videos when that was a thing. And today, approximately 12 hours ago, OliveSwap has deployed their farm on Polygon, Matic. And the same thing is happening again. So when you go to farms, you can see that the APRs are through the roof, 50,000, 50,000. And even over 900% on stablecoins. Of course, I instantly put my money into this because there is simply no risk. Stablecoin LP, it stays the same, and you get free money, right? It's basically printing money. I'll link down a chart for Polygon Olive. It's right here. You have to adjust it here on the right side, but it's not the most live chart. It's not always like real time, I'd say, but it is pretty close. You can also see some buy and sell orders down here. So what can you do right now? I think if you want to just play it safe, get into this one. USDT, USDC, farming pool right here. You basically have nothing to lose. It's only a game of gaining. Of course, if you are a bit more degenerate, you could test the grounds in these two pools, which offer over 50,000 APR right now, or you go to the pool right away and just buy and keep native olive, which I personally don't recommend right now, but it's up to you. Maybe something that's also worth mentioning, the liquidity. If you look at the total liquidity for olive, it's not that much. $14,000, 15,000. This basically means that even little amounts do move the price by a significant amount. So if someone would buy for $500, this could move by 50 cents to even $1 as of now. So I would maybe wait for more liquidity, more money flow within the Polygon Olive token, and maybe then ape into these. Of course, a different strategy could be that you slowly buy your position up and stake it here. But again, OliveSwap tends to do good for a couple of days, and then the destruction begins, where the programmed native token just goes to zero, because that's every yield farm. every single DeFi 1.0 yield farm does this. If it's just a farming token, then it will eventually go to nothing, because there is no reason to hold it. It has no utility in that sense. And that's pretty it. So make sure to check this out. This farming pool here is pretty interesting. Other than that, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. You will lose all your money. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.